This lesson is to demonstrate the use of imports, global declarations, and the creation of methods inside a JSP. This page creates two Java AWT rectangle objects and displays information about their sizes. To be able to create the rectangle objects, it's necessary to import the rectangle class. To do this, a page directive element is used. Now, this is not a Java statement, and it isn't written like one. It's written as an attribute value for a tag, and the attribute is quoted. You can include more than one class in a JSP file, either in the same statement or you can use an entirely different tag. I've placed this at the top, by the way, because that's the logical place to put import statements, but you can actually include this anywhere in the JSP page, and the generated class will have it at the top. I'll be showing you that here in just a minute. This is a declaration scripting element. This one is Java code, and this code will be included unchanged in the generated class. However, because it is a declaration, it will not be inside the method. It will be placed in the class in such a way that it is available from all classes. These statements declare two references to rectangle objects. Now, the text here above and below these declarations is the HTML code and is part of the template. It's included here as a part of the output page. Notice how things that actually go in different places can be mixed together. And that's all straightened out by the translation process. This is the first executable Java code that's placed in the method that generates the page. These two lines of code are placed without change in the resulting code. This creates the two rectangle objects, the big one and the little one. These two calls to the showSize method are each included as an expression. Now, these methods produce string values and return them. They're included here as expressions, so the returned strings will be included as part of the produced page. Now, you need to keep this concept in your mind here. Each one of these is going to be used as an argument in a call to a method that outputs strings, so you don't have more code here than you need. And you don't terminate this with a semicolon. You can use any code snippet that will produce a single value for output. If it's not correct, it can't be used as an argument. It won't compile, and the JSP will fail when you try to display it, because that's when it's going to get compiled. All that's left now are the two methods. These methods are to be placed outside the page-producing method of the resulting servlet, so they're entered as declaration code. The first one is the method that produces the string that describes a rectangle. The second one is a method that's called by the first one just to get the area of the rectangle. This could have been done more efficiently, but this is just to show you how things are formed. And that's it. A complete JSP page. Now, let me show you the build script. Nothing new here except that the JSPC script is called from inside this script at the very beginning. This script begins by translating the JSP page into Java. It isn't necessary to do this for the server, but I like to have a copy of the Java code laying around just for debugging. I'll show you how that works in the next lesson.